Here's the test vehicle, 93 limited. You'll see the mileage in a minute, very low, 70 some odd thousand unmolested miles. Actually, I just tested an A3M1, which is a manual. The computer I use to normally drive this car around is an A3M manual, although it's an automatic car. You can see I just had it running. First time in a couple weeks, but had to sell that computer going to Germany and test yours. So what I'm getting ready to do is take it straight out of the mail here and then put it right into my known working automobile. How's that? That looks good. ECU exchange. A9L. Woo. I always smell them before I test them. This one does smell electronically kind of burnt. But that doesn't always mean it won't work. Just letting you know I test them. Sniffing it before I install it. I don't really see anything of consequence. So, interesting. I just see they put different bolts in the bottom. But we'll go ahead and put it in here. So I've got the battery disconnected. Goes 93. I was saying something earlier about maybe being able to find the original computer tag. I don't want to waste too much time on it, but a lot of times you'll find the extra little serial number tag stuck kind of somewhere in here, door jamb, either side. I don't see mine, but well, here we go. So we're looking for initial fuel pump prime. Oh, crap, after all that, we weren't sideways. Fuel pump prime. No, the computer's bad. It's just running and running and running and running the fuel pump. Nope, it's bad, it won't start. And just for shits, A9L, still got their warranty sticker on it. Totally unpicked. Actually, there's multiple stickers I see right here, so it's been worked on maybe twice. But I'm gonna go ahead and, doesn't matter how nice and clean it looks, it's gotta work, right? So we're gonna put in this banged up, chewed up, got a big hole and some duct tape in it. A3M. A3M is the super, the one that replaced the A9L. So they're pretty much identical. Oh, and there's one thing I forgot to show on my way towards the front, but I did remember saying I smelled burned, so I always smell them before I test them. If you watch back on the video, you'll see a very weak check engine light bulb as well. That's another telltale. I've even got like headphones in, and I could hear the fuel pump just running and running and running. I knew the thing wasn't going to start right then. So now we're comparing apples to apples. All I did was change computers out. That's the one you sent me. That's the one I already have, and that's the one I just tested and sent out. So I know that one's good. I know that one's good. The one thing I forgot to show earlier is that I have, right there you can see it, O2 harness is always disconnected when I test my computers because I don't know whether I'm putting manual or an automatic computer in my test car. So we should hear the fuel pump prime and stop with a bright check engine light. It's having trouble because whatever your computer dumped down the cylinders. That'll hold. Just gonna pump all that fuel out of the cylinders. Tested your computer to be bad and proven that it's not car related or anything like that. So I would get a hold of those folks, see if they'll do an ECU exchange.